Time management.
Yeah,
But you managed to complete all the questions.
no, that's a funny thing. I was on project 5, and I had like 2 or 3 more questions to complete.
Okay.
So I and some of the questions I feel like were easy. I just didn't remember how to do them.
Okay.
And you know what's so funny? Do you remember how yesterday we were going over like the index rand array?
Yes,
That
yes.
showed up. That it literally showed up.
Oh,
So luckily, I remembered exactly how we did it, so I was able to use that.
okay. That's
So
good. That's good.
yeah,
That's good.
like, I thought I failed honestly. So I guess, but
Yeah. So now you're a
mhm.
Microsoft Office specialist expert in Excel.
Here we go.
Yes. So you will need
That's
to keep
keep
defending
going.
that title. Yeah,
Yeah.
keep learning, keep improving. So
Hmm.
the fact that you've passed the certification should not stop you from advancing.
Yeah.
Because the essence of this is just to open your eyes to the possibilities out there.
Hmm. Okay.
And you just need to keep learning. So I'm happy for you.
Yeah.
At least 727 out of 1,000 is not a joke.
Yeah.
Because I've seen many people take it for about 6 consecutive times
Hmm.
before passing
Yeah.
the certification.
Hmm.
And you've done well. I'm proud of
Yeah.
you.
Thank
I'm
you.
proud of you. So what we'll do is we will, I don't know whether to start with the
Hmm.
network plus
Okay.
or the A plus or the security plus. That
Plus.
is what I'm thinking about now.
Okay.
So maybe we will need to think about it and see how best to start it.
Started. Okay. I
Yeah.
can because school starts Wednesday, so once
Okay.
I get that syllabus,
Okay.
I can send it to you, and then maybe we can decide how we want to move
Okay.
from there.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. That's fine.
Need
That's
to
fine.
purchase some stuff then.
So I will share the good news with your mom and auntie. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And
Okay.
do I need to
Yeah.
add the I need to add it to something on some report, I believe.
Yes. So they will send you an email which is Credly, where you can even share it on
Shares. Okay.
LinkedIn.
Okay.
Yeah. And other
Okay.
social media platforms and just add it to your resume.
Resume. Okay.
So now you finished Excel. Now you've done the Excel expert.
Right.
So
Okay.
as we go through, we focus on the security plus for the CompTIA. Then
Mm-hmm.
maybe we can think about doing word expert
Okay.
alongside, depending
Alongside.
on your schedule. And I think you'll be able to do it
Okay.
because if you've been able to pass the Excel expert, then
Yeah.
word is just
It
a
should
piece of
be
cake.
piece of cake. Yeah.
Then PowerPoint as well. So you think
Okay.
about it so that we can run that alongside. Yes,
Okay.
because I'm all about the skill set. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
certification is just a milestone.
Stone.
Do it, you only get a certification or the
Station.
certificate in the first place. And
Yeah.
that is what I want people to understand.
Mm-hmm.
Because many people come in with the aim of, I want a certificate. No, get the skills. Once you
Yeah.
have the skills, passing the certification exam is just a bonus.
It's just a
And at
bonus to it.
least you attested to it. But
Yeah.
it took it took some hard work on your part,
Mm-hmm.
the
Yeah.
video, the practice, and
Mm-hmm.
that is what I want people to understand.
Yeah. The
So
practice
well
helps
done.
more. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, well
Thank
done.
you.
So if any of
Thank
your
you.
colleagues they want assistance, why not? I'll be able to
Yeah.
coach and guide them.
I want to know.
It's
Yep.
once they succeed, I'm happy. It's not
Mm-hmm.
about money. No,
Yeah.
I'm not even talking about money. No.
No, it's teaching people
Okay.
skills. Yep.
Yeah, that is
Okay.
it. Okay.
Okay.
So
Uncle
thank you
Phoebe.
very much, David.
Thank you
Yeah.
very much. Yep.
Okay.
All right. Bye.
Bye.